Secondly, pharmaceutical reps are taught, and they do a really good job with clinical studies. But med tech, biotech, I don't see it. And so one of the workshops I run often is, how should I be presenting medical data? Did you know that surgeons and physicians are taught how to present medical data? In fact, when they're on the podium, they all do it kind of the same way. And if you were to do it the way they do it, you'd be a lot more effective. Here's a couple key things that you have to do. I'm going to be cynical, and I'm going to assume that when you show me clinical data that you did, it's going to make your product look good. So here's the question you have to answer for me. Why should I believe you? And that gets into methods. How did you design your study? Talk to me about the methods. And second, you be the one to point out the weaknesses or flaws in your study. Don't let me point them out. You'll get, you're slave, you're done, you're out of here. But if you're the one to call out weaknesses or flaws in the study, then you can take your flaws and make them features, right? Tell me about the 5 patients who actually failed. You know, you had a study of 171 patients, and yada, yada, yada. This is your 1-year data. Talk to me about the 5 that failed. Actually, we learned a lot from those patients. Let me explain. Listen, you have to sell clinically in med tech, and I'm here to report from the front lines, it's not going great. I can help you with that. The other thing you need to know is this. So Challenger became CEB, which became Gartner. Hopefully you guys all know the Gartner Group. I've had memberships with them in the past at different companies I've worked with. In 2019, they noted a shift in the marketplace. It's called sense making. And here's what they found. We've all taken our games up. Our people are better trained, they're higher quality. Your data is higher quality, but here's my challenge now. I've got Buddy who comes in, and his data and his product is awesome. Shannon comes in, her product and her data is really well done. What do I do?
Success requires insights. Elite execution requires training. Go to www.exsalesconsulting.com/special offers.